reason why I wanted to live in a 55 and older community is because I'm an empty nester.
We had moved from a large property in Southwest Virginia, so we were looking for something to downsize a little bit.
The amenities that were here, it's communal amenities. That's fabulous. They have 2 pools. They have many things that are available to us.
There's walking trails around here, and the fact that it's right down the road from work, it's very convenient.
It gives me kind of the country lifestyle, more quiet, more subdued.
We like the 1-level living, but we also like having upstairs where we have a loft and the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom.
The house is laid out very well. We've got the basement and we've got the bar set up.
The most surprising aspect for me was how large the space is. Just knowing like, oh, this is 2,000 square feet. This is perfect.
The openness of the layout. It gives you that perception that this is a huge area.
Also, lower maintenance. We're ready for that. We're ready for lower maintenance.
And I like the fact I don't have to cut grass or weed whack. That's covered. So that's a plus right there.
Speaking as a chapter of my life, which is the reason why I was like, oh, I don't need the big house anymore.
We're in the environment of our life where we want to enjoy what we have.
We built this house to what we want. So we're getting to the point in our life where we're finally getting something that's going to completely satisfy us. It's something that we're really excited about.
There was just nothing that compared quite to the Cascades or the Embrey Mill areas.
I'm buying a Cascade.